Hey everybody, just a quick video because I had to show you my latest make from our Woven Wonders collection. My top is a Timbre peasant style top. I love how this turned out. It was so easy to make, less than an hour and a half from picking fabric, cutting, and sewing, everything included, less than an hour and a half. There's only 3 pattern pieces here. It could not be easier, so I love how this turned out. This I think is like a it's from Serge Fabric Shop. I know that. It is like their Montego stretch woven, I think. It's very lightweight, very drapey. It's perfect for accentuating these gathers along the neckline. Super easy to sew with. It is like drapier and maybe a little bit more shifty, but for just those few pattern pieces, super, super easy. Then I also have my Duet trousers. Look at these. I did not have enough fabric left on my cut to make a full-length trouser. So instead, I just decided to take some inches off of the bottom hemline and just make them a capri. And I love them. They have the full waistband. Initially, I did try, because this is a stretch sort of fabric, I did initially try to do a yoga style waistband, but there wasn't enough recovery in the jeans fabric. It just was not going to work. I took those pieces and just converted them into the waistband, and I love how this worked out. I do have like a cute little like woven fabric. Can you see this? I have a cute little woven on the inside just to make the very best use of fabric possible. And I just am obsessed with how this outfit turned out. I know that these bottoms are going to be like my go-to like dressy bottom. You can see that they have darts here, so that's super helpful for getting a great fit. Just want to make sure you can see how cute these fit me just right as far as like the capri length. So I'll let you know here how much length I took off. I'm 5'2", so again, mileage may vary for everybody. They do have the invisible zipper. So I just used like a little black one that I had in my stash here. Personal fitting adjustments for the Duet trousers. I sewed them exactly as was prescribed in the finished measurements and the measurement chart. So I sewed a size 10, straight size 10, but I did decide to take in just at the waistband. I think that my proportions, needed the waistband just taken in a little bit. So I did take that in at both the separate waistband piece and at the very top of the, I kind of have like larger hips, I think, for my like waist ratio. So I took those in about an inch, and I think it worked out perfectly. One of the things that I really like about the Duet trousers though is that the pattern seam allowance is 5/8 of an inch. And the reason for that is so that when you go in to make more fitting adjustments, you can let out the seam or take in the seam with lots of flexibility, so that you have enough seam allowance to work with. Like if you need to let it out a little bit more, if you need to take it in a little bit more, that extra seam allowance really helps a lot. So make sure you pay attention to that, because usually the seam allowance for Love Notions patterns is 3/8, so just watch out for that. And again, this fabric is a stretch woven, which I had used previously with my Crescendo jeans, and I was planning on making another pair of trousers with the full length, but I just didn't have enough fabric, so this outfit idea I think worked out great. Oh, one thing I did want to tell you is that there is a fitting workbook for Duet trousers, and this is super, super helpful. It kind of helps you like diagnose like any fit issues. So like, again, I did like my measurements here so that I could get a really good look at things. It helps you kind of understand how to make a muslin. It helps you understand about rise. A lot of people have been asking about like full belly adjustments or rise adjustments, and this fitting workbook I think is worth its weight, or it's worth the price of the pattern itself. So it's included free inside of the Duet trousers pattern, and the Duet trousers pattern does have an available sewing course. So if you've never sewn pants before, this is like a great route to make sure that you have lots of sewing success. So I just wanted to pop on and tell you all about that. Make sure that you take a look at the rest of the Woven Wonders collection. I have already posted my tempo sundress. I've talked about some of the fabric places that you can work with. I have talked about some of like our capsule idea collection. So make sure that you take a look at all the available resources for this current collection and get what you need to make the most of your sewing time. I'll talk to you later. Bye.